Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Annie Might Be Interesting. I'm just gonna do a quick, we'll call it a makeup suggestional. Okay, so if you want natural looking makeup that's quick and easy, here you go. I start with this. I'm just going to put it under my eyes, like so. Sometimes when I'm breaking out a little bit, I'll just put just a tiny bit on it. Then I'm going to go with this. It works pretty good, stays in place. I don't have a problem with it, and usually I do. I have a really hard time with makeup staying where it belongs and not coming off my face because my skin gets oily. I don't use a beauty brush or anything like that. I just put it on with my hands because I want it to be quick and easy. But here is where I do get a little bit fancy. I use this. It's got two layers. One is eyeshadow, the other is contouring. Now, contouring has been bit of a challenge for me. Just kind of figured it out, but I think it works. And I don't go over complicated on it. A little bit of blush right here. Go with the highlighter. A little down my nose, although I don't know if I like the nose highlighting thing, because sometimes I feel like in pictures it makes my nose look very bird-like because of the way it accentuates the line, and it makes my nose look more narrow and like it sticks out more than it does. I've got more of a rounded nose, but in pictures sometimes with the highlighter I think it makes it look pointed. So I don't know, I think I might stop using it there, as a matter of fact, because I don't see the need. And that's done. It has paint on it because I paint walls, canvases, everything. I just paint too many things. For here, like if I think my lines are a little bit too defined, you just come in with your powder brush and kind of smooth it out. See? Okay, another super professional tip. I take a towel and I wipe my eyebrows because I'm not careful when I put my foundation on and it gets all in my eyebrows. So then I just use the tip of my fingernail and scrape off the excess that I got in my eyebrows. I take a little brush and I brush them out. Super easy. I'm going to use this color because it kind of purplish tones brings out my eyes and like it goes with my skin tone better. So this is called Instinct and I'm going to go with that one. Very subtle. Simple, Wet n Wild, cheap, like 98 cents. Okay, so there's that. And then here is another tip, because like I'm super fancy with makeup. I go like this, I look up, I put my fingers under hair, and I look down and bat my eyes to get the excess off, and then it's on my fingers and not under here or up here. There you go. I think that looks pretty good. and I'm just gonna dry my hair a bit and I'll be ready to go. And that took me 10 minutes to do. And that is because I was talking and whatnot. If I hadn't have been talking and trying to show you what makeup I was using, then I'm sure it would have took a lot less. So this is just to show everyone that you can be a mom and you can have contoured makeup in less than 10 minutes. There it is, a little bit of contouring, quick and easy, less than 10 minutes. So you don't have to spend tons of time to look like you put some effort into it. Have a good day, y'all. Come back and see me soon on the next episode of Annie Might Be Interesting.